Hi, I'm Alice and I'm a crochet designer. For this video, I will show you how to crochet a leaf border. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notification of future videos. We will begin by adding several rows to the two unworked long edges of the blanket before adding a border of moss stitch all the way around. For this first row, you'll be working into the sides of the row edges, into the posts of the stitches. It is crucial that your blanket remains flat and with a straight edge, so make sure to work these stitches evenly spaced. Once you've created a nice straight edge along both sides, you will work all the way around the blanket in the moss stitch pattern. For round 3 of the edging, we will begin to add our leaves at the top and bottom of the blanket. Following the pattern, work the moss stitch, then when indicated, chain 7. Then make a double crochet in the second chain from your hook and each of the next 5. This creates the stem for the leaf. As you'll be working back into these stitches up and down the stem on the next row, I find it best to work the double crochets into the back bump of the chain. This makes it easier to work your stitches on the next round. On the next round, you'll be working up and down the leaf stem as follows. Make a double crochet in the first stitch, followed by a half treble. Two trebles in the next stitch, a half treble, and then a double. Working into the top of the stem, make a double crochet, then a picot. When making picot stitches, I chain 3, then for the slip stitch, I insert my hook through the front loop and the left leg of the last stitch. Now make another double crochet in the tip before working down the other side of the stem with a double crochet, a half treble, 2 trebles into the next stitch, a half treble, and a final double crochet. Finish off with a final round of leaves, working them in the same manner as the previous round. Once your blanket is finished, secure and weave in all your ends and block if necessary. I hope you've enjoyed making this as much as I enjoyed designing it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.